17 nga!
Ayun.
Wow, galing!
So lahat ng surprises. Sige, paalala natin ha. Itong tatlong last surprise gift ni Culture, mag-claim niyo po siya. Kasi surprise na, so they weren't that, they didn't prepare it in advance, no? Mag-claim niyo siya doon sa store nila na malapit sa St. Christopher Church. At pwede lamang po siyang i-claim mula sa araw na ito hanggang December 31. From tomorrow. From tomorrow. Grabe naman kayo kung ngayon pa kayo mag-claim ang petsa na, mag-aalas 5 na eh.
Pwede naman,
So,
excited lang. Diba?
December 31. Other than that, akin na, Charis. Oh,